Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a fun haul from Lavinia's World. And Lavinia's World has some very fun stamps. They're very unique. They're very monochromatic. If you want to, you could probably use either a paint brush or a paintbrush pen or markers and, inked type opportunities and and make these more than one color, but I really just like using them in a monochromatic way. So as many of you know, I love stamping and I love the ocean and I love sea turtles and all that good stuff, so I picked up a few of these. Of course, I love dolphins. Dolphins are huge. I grew up on the Gulf Coast and we see dolphins, we see sea turtles. Just a big deal, big deal, and I want to go to the sea turtle release, Lord willing, one day. So a girlfriend of mine down where I grew up, she is a part of it, and I just hope I get to go to one. It's on my bucket list. And then I love the whale. I think this is a humpback. If I'm wrong, correct me, but be nice. And then, of course, we always crabbed when we were down there, and my husband always had crabs that he was catching and eating and all that good stuff. So, along the ocean theme, look at that cute little baby sea turtle. I love that one. So, that one was very cute, and I loved the wrecked ship and the anchor. It just, I don't know, it's a big thing down there, and there's, in the local museum, there's even stories about local pirates and things like that. So, it was really interesting. I'm not like what's that pirate movie with Johnny Depp? Not like that, but just really educational things about pirating that took place. So it was very interesting. We're huge fans of The Hobbit. When I saw this, I have several stamps like this. I loved the heart, and I loved the kind of the ivy, or the flowers and the leaves around it, and of course the stone, and then the walkway. I love that heart. I thought it was so pretty. So this is called a fairy house, but for me it's The Hobbit. And then my mom and dad went to TCU, and I'm getting ready to do some things, and when I looked at this, the frog's name is Freddie, and it's spelled exactly like my daddy's name. And I thought, because I was like, oh, a frog, I should get that for my parents, because horned frog. And I used to always buy him frog things, and when I saw the name on it, I was like, oh wow. So super fun. I just think that these will just be fun things to play with, and I've got a video where I've done a haul of things I'm going to be setting up and stamping and journaling with, so I'm super excited to get all this in that particular project, and it'll be fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is a very quick haul. Go to Lavinia's World, and they have, I think they're from, is it Ireland? They're European, but I think there's an outlet that I get from in, I think it's Florida. I should have brought that with me, and I didn't. Hold on one second. Let me see. I might have something here. Let me see. So, let's see. Lavinia's World. Take a photo and share. And where are they out of? It does not say. Hold on. I've got a couple of things here. Oh, look at that card. Isn't that beautiful? Seriously, they really have gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. They are out of Florida, Miami, Florida. So, I wasn't totally wrong. So anyways, lots of fun, lots of good things to get going on, and share with me what you're stamping right now. I'd love to see it. So, alright friends, come on back. We've got more goodies. Subscribe. Leave a thumbs up if you don't mind. That helps our channel, and leave a comment below. That's evidently a new thing at YouTube. We need comments, and it helps the channel to grow. So, and you really encourage me with your comments, and I do filter the comments, because like any channel on YouTube, there are people that do naughty stuff, and so I make sure that this is a place of encouragement, and I don't filter out the people that have encouragement that is constructive encouragement, but I do filter out the naughty stuff, the really, not appropriate. And so but leave a comment, and even though it takes me a couple of days to okay it, I love reading about how you guys are, like you might have this kind of stamp, or how you used your stamps, or what you made out of your stamps, your stamping projects. I love hearing all your different things. So please leave a comment and tell me what's going on in your craft world. Okay, friends, most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and so lovely. Go out and make it a good day. And look at that glass as half full. And be thankful for the opportunities we have to create. And even if we don't have stamps, we can definitely get a pen and we can get online, find something, maybe print it out and put another piece of paper on top of it and learn to create it. And you know, some of the best ways to learn is to trace other people's previous artists before us, and we get to learn their way of doing things, and our hands get the muscle memory. So make it a good day. Get creative and get crafty, okay, guys? All right, friends. Have a great day. Thanks for being here, and I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care and be safe. Love y'all. Bye-bye.